I got room. I got room. It's making progress. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Down for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. If you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring the ding that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it and share. It definitely helps the channel. This is another great day to get things done. We've had 4 days of rain, still raining out today. Today is Thursday, so this will come out Friday. But we are continuing our progress. We're not stopping now. We're not letting all the hysteria bring us down. We're staying positive. We're staying busy, and we're going to continue this. So when this is all done, we are going to have a phenomenal outcome, and we are going to be ready to get back our lives. So today, I have my checklist. I don't always get it complete, but that's okay because we have nothing but time. But my intent is for you to get out, take some time every day, get out there, take a break from everything. Don't stay on YouTube all day. Don't stay on TV, marathon watching stuff all day. Let's get stuff done that we pushed aside, ignored, or whatever. Now's the time, the perfect time to do this. So my checklist today is, behind here, I have a cabinet that is nothing but Christmas and camping storage. I don't go in there other than getting stuff out for Christmas now. So the rolling carts are gonna go over here. I gotta move stuff out of the way. That's gonna free up a whole center section. And all the stuff I have on the ground that's taken off the cart, that's my day-to-day. Going through all this stuff, throwing stuff away, putting stuff in the Goodwill. And we'll just see how it goes. This is my cart. It's a mobile rolling cart. I had most of this was painting and stuff material. It is in that cabinet now. So I'm gonna use this. This is for somewhat electrical, but mostly my plumbing supplies and things I'll keep up here. The other side is all ton of towels. When my father passed away, I inherited all of his bathing towels. We kept some that were really nice. The rest I just kind of brought in here and stacked. I have so many of them, so I'm going to take a bunch. I am either going to take them down to Mexico or they're going to Salvation Army. I don't need 30 towels to wash my cars. A dozen towels is all I'm going to need. A few rags. So a lot of that stuff's going to be gone. I'm getting rid of it. Don't need it. And that's the beauty of this. We're cleaning out. Down here I probably have 30 pairs of gloves. So I need to clean those out, throw some out, stack them up. So it's just organizing, cleaning, and finally getting rid of some of the excess. The first thing I'm going to do is I got to move this stuff out of the way. It's kind of cluttered right now because I got stuff all over the ground. My DeWalt miter saw in the stand I have to move. All the wood right there, that is for my outdoor furniture. So I got to move that because the rolling cart's going to go in there. So that actually is got to be the first thing to do so I can start moving some of this stuff around. So let me get to that first. So my progress thus far, This has been cleaned out, wiped down, dusted, top's cleaned off, nothing on top. Now I gotta turn my attention to this side. Most of the towels are gonna go either to Salvation Army or go down to Mexico. Still waiting to find out if they can use them down there. A lot of this polishes, waxes are old from my father, so that's going to the trash. So I'm cleaning all this out, wiping it down, and reorganize it. And I'm only going to keep a dozen towels, but the white rags, fiber, cloth stuff I will keep because I use those on the car. A few of these others I'll keep, but most of this is out of here. Quick little update. All this is cleaned up, and I don't know why. I can't think of a reason, but once I took the shelves out, when I went to put them back in, they wouldn't fit. So I had to put them on my miter saw, do a quick 1/16 to an 1/8 inch trim on it. Now they fit fine. They fit perfectly, so those are in. The shelf is above the paint. This is where I'm going to start putting all my plumbing supplies on. This side, all cleaned out. Next step, I think I'm going to sift through the mess now. So I think that'll be that's the next thing. I'm going to do that real quick. And I'm not filming it. You don't need to see me doing all that. I'm just giving you updates as I go. Still raining outside. I can hear it non-stop all day. But it's a light rain, so it's okay. I'll be back when I get the other side somewhat situated and get some of this mess sifted through and cleaned out. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm going to show you, I got this all done. The towels up here, I'm still waiting on word if they need them in Mexico, but I'm going to put them over in the box for the Salvation Army. Other side, pretty much done. Now that this is pretty much done, so I'm going to roll this out of the way. I just want to open up all this, get my bandsaw, and then get the cart with my tools and roll it here. Actually, I might put it there for now, so I at least get this all clean. Tomorrow, I'll probably go through the tool cart. That goes there. Finally clean this off, get it set up to use again. Boy, have I missed this thing. I got room. I got room. It's making progress. That's fantastic. This is what I'm talking about. Every day come out here doing stuff. We're making progress. We don't want to stop. It's a little completely messed up, but I have piles of trash that's got to go out. Trash can's full. I got to wait till tomorrow. It gets dumped Friday. This will come out Friday afternoon. All this stuff here. Actually, that one little baby seat there, that goes back out to the storage. A friend of ours had to use it. That's my daughter's. But a lot of that tools, that stuff there is what I used to go to Mexico, and I kept it there for easy access. But we haven't gone, and I haven't been able to go. So I got to reincorporate that with all my tools. So that will be clean tomorrow. So I guess there'll be actually three things. Get my tool cart cleaned up, get all the stuff off the top of that, cleaned off, organize it, get my bandsaw cleaned off, prepped and ready to incorporate it back into the shop. Been missing that for a while. Start getting all this done. And actually, There's a toolbox and some other items here that actually have to go to the church because somebody donated a lot of tools to us because he heard that we do a lot of work in Mexico. If you want to know anything about that, check up right here. Very gracious and have blessed us to give us a lot of the tools that we can keep down there. So a lot of that's sitting there waiting to go down. And I think I may end up taking it to church in our storage unit there, so get it out of my shop. Well, that's a lot to do on a Friday. We'll see what happens. But the main thing is every day we come out and we continue. So I got all this cleaned up. I actually got space now, but I need to start hitting the trash. I got to get this out of here. So thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack for your sanity. The more we stay busy, the faster the time goes, and sooner we're going to get back to our normal lives. See you next video. I like that.